Peace family, welcome to our daily analysis. So let's analyze Nasdaq. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our hour, and then blow up this. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right there. Let me just extend this up to here. Okay, right here being our resistance, and then let's go to our. Then let me just stop this. Okay, so it's possible that during the CPI news release we can have a retest and then continue, and then my potential TP is going to be right there. And if this doesn't happen, then there is a possibility of something like this. The shooting downwards potentially up to there. But we'll see how the news are going to affect our Nasdaq. So let's go to GBPJPY. So on a weekly, then let me do this so that we can find excuse me, find the overall trend. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. Then let's go to our 4-hour. Then just pull up this. Okay. So on a 4-hour, we're having this zone right there, all the way from right here and then until here. So let's go to our. So right now it seems like we broke this resistance area. Now we're retesting this area. So there is a possibility that we can. Nope, let me just. There is a possibility of the market pushing to the upside, and then potentially up to there. And then if this doesn't happen, then there is a possibility of a double bottom and then the market pushing to the downside, potentially up to there. And then our EURUSD, EURJPY, so to speak, on a weekly. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Blow up this. So on a 4-hour, we're having this long resistance area. Okay, from here until here. So let's go to hourly. So if the market is pushing to the upside, you can see a break, retest, and then continue. And then my potential TP is going to be right there. And if the market decides to sell, then we can see like a real formation of the double top, maybe pushing up to there. So that's my analysis for EURJPY. And then let's go to gold. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly, it seems like we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So let me just block this. And then on a 4-hour, having this zone right here. And then let's go to the hourly. So if the market is pushing to the upside, then we can see like a break, retest this zone, and then push potential up to there. And then if this doesn't happen, then we can see a double top, potential up to the downside. So that's my analysis for gold at the moment. And then let's check EURUSD. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly, right here we are on a downtrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, I'm seeing this trend right here. Okay, let me just pull up this. So this is being my resistance area, and then it seems like we broke this resistance area. So we came, broke this resistance area. Now we're retesting, and then there's a possibility that we can push to the upside, potentially up to there. Okay, and then for USDJPY on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend. Then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, the structure is not quite clear for me. So let's go to our, okay. So on an hourly, what I'm seeing this resistance area right here, and then there is a possibility that the market can push to the downside, potential up to there, or we can see a rejection around these areas, and then the market can just came, retest, and then continue with the overall trend. And then let's check GBP, and then on a weekly, Okay, so on a weekly, seems like we are on an uptrend. Then let's go to our 4-hour. And then on a 4-hour, where this resistance area right there, right here, and even right here. Okay, so let's go to the hour. So there is a possibility that the market can push to the upside. Potential up to there. And if this doesn't happen, then due to the CPI news, we can see like a breakthrough test and then a potential sell. So that's my analysis for GBP USD tapping.